Hi guys, you're all welcome to my channel today. If this is your first time of ever tuning in, I'm so glad to have you. My name is Chizoba and I'm a medical student in Ukraine. And if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for always coming back, watching my videos and keeping up with me. You guys, you're the real MVPs. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this very delicious, easy and quick, very quick spaghetti recipe. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve it, then keep watching. So guys, for this recipe, the ingredients that I'm going to be using, first I have my mixed meat. This is beef. You can use any kind of meat that is blended together or mixed together. You can buy it this way, you can do it by yourself. I have my onions that's been cut. I have this mixed vegetables. You can buy it this way, frozen, or you can decide to prepare it by yourself. And then I have my spaghetti that I've already cut into, several cut short the way I wanted. And then of course I have my spice that I'm going to be using to spice my meal. So let's get started. So guys, starting off, I already have my hot water on fire. Okay, and the water is already boiling. Always let the water boil before you put in the spag. So what I do to avoid my spag from clumping together is that I add a little bit of vegetable oil in it, just so that they don't clump together. And in case you're wondering, the spaghetti that I'm using is this one by Chumax. Here in Ukraine, just be careful to get the one that is written 8 minutes, because most of the spaghettis they have here in Ukraine, they are rubbish. So guys, after boiling the spag, I poured it out in a sieve for it to drain. Then the next thing, I put my pot on fire and put in some vegetable oil in it, and also I added some salt into the vegetable oil. You guys, I don't know why I do this, but I always add salt in vegetable oil before I do anything. Then I went ahead to add in some onions, and I'm going to let the onions fry for a while. Always let it fry before adding the mixed meat. And when I added the mixed meat, I try to break it and make sure they are not clumped up together. Pieces it properly, then I'll stir properly and turn it. That's stir, right? I'll stir it properly and I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for a while. After you've seen that it's properly cooked, the next thing is to add the mixed vegetables and again stir. Everything about this is stirring. Stirring is the key. Okay, stir, and at this point I'm going to add some spice. I used kurima. You can use curry, but I prefer the kurima because it always gives the food a very beautiful color at the end. And also I added my Maggi at this point, and again stir. And after stirring for a while, after it has cooked for a while, I went ahead to put my remaining spice. You can spice this whichever way you want it. Just put in whatever that suits you. For me, I used my nutmeg, I used ginger, I used chicken seasoning, fish seasoning, and also I used pepper, red pepper. You guys, whatever you want, please indulge yourself, but just make sure you don't add some kind of spice that you can't eat. So that's what I did, and at this point, make sure you're stirring properly, because it can start burning easily. And also you can taste for salt, for pepper, to just make sure that everything is okay. If everything is fine, then you can go ahead and put in your spaghetti. Yeah. And you can see I went ahead to mix it all up together. You guys, just the sight alone is satisfying, very satisfying. Anyways, I stirred everything together properly, and I'll cover it and let it cook for a while. This is the final resort. Dinner, food, lunch, whatever you want to call it, is served. I had so much fun making this. This was very easy. It was very quick. I enjoyed doing it. I hope you guys are gonna find it very helpful. And yeah, if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.